these yellow cubes, units. If we put 10 yellow cubes together, it adds up to 10 we have learned just now. These tens, if we bundle 10 tens like this, what does it make? 110, 210, 310, 410, 510, 610, 710, 8, 9, 10 tens are here. If we put these 10 tens together, is it equal to this? It is correct, right? So, we can ask the children to keep these tens on the green plate. Give them an activity and they will do it happily. These 10 tens make 100. This one green plate is called 100. If you observe closely, one square of this green plate is equal to 1 unit. There are 100 such squares in this. This rod has 10 squares, so this is 110. When 10 such tens are bundled together, it is 100. Similarly, if we put these 10 hundreds together, what happens? Let us check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 hundreds are here. If we add them together, what are they equal to? They are equal to this red cube. See, they are equal to this red cube. That means 10 hundreds are equal to 1000. This is known as decimal system. 10 means decimal. We go on making bundles of 10 here, starting with units, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Units, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Bundling 10 tens together in stages is called decimal system. Now, using these TLMs, let us keep different numbers. Let us keep them on this place value mat. Let us see how to write them in a notebook. Let us see how to write them in abstract. Now, third standard children have to learn 3-digit numbers. You give me a number. 246. Okay. In 246, how many hundreds do we have? There are 2 hundreds. 100, 200. In 246, how many tens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens, right? 2 hundreds. How many units are there? 6 units are there. I have arranged them on this place value mat. Alright? And if children are confused, show them this place value mat. There are pictures here. There is a red cube, there is a green plate, blue rod, and yellow cubes. Show them these and ask them to keep the green plate where there is the green picture. Where 10 is written, ask them to keep the blue rod, the tens. Now, let us do the same activity using a different TLM. One more TLM. We have play money here. How to use play money and count? Let us see. 246. In play money, there is no confusion. Children love play money. 200 rupees, 40 rupees, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, when we talk about it, we don't call it money. We are not using this to count money. Rather, we use it only to count numbers. If children call this rupees 200 or rupees 40, it is not wrong. Don't stop them. While teaching, we can ask them, how many are here? 100, 200, 110, 210, 310, and 4 tens. 246. In this way, we can show them. A point to note here, this is not just for the teachers to do. It is not just that teachers write it on the board, but they should make the children write it in their notebooks. Sometimes third and fourth standard children may find it tough making a square of 9 initially. If it is difficult, ask them to draw a line on 3 squares. It may be difficult for them to draw a square of 9 initially. They can draw a square like this. So, teach them patiently and slowly. Let them count 3 squares and draw a line. Let them count 1, 2, 3. Let them draw another line vertically like this. Let them join these squares. Like this, if they continue to draw, it will be good practice for them. We will leave this row empty like this now. We will use it later, but we will not explain this to the children now. We need this at a later stage, so we are going to leave it empty now. Let us write units, tens, hundreds. So this is units, tens and hundreds. The number we have to write is 246. In 246, how many units do we have? 6 units, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can write it anywhere here. How many tens do we have? 4 tens are there. Please observe, in this 10 house, we have to write 10. It means in one box, there are 10. In one box, there are 10 units. Okay? 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens. In 246, in tens place, there are 4 tens. How many hundreds are there? 2 hundreds. 100, 200. Sometimes children may write 1 in hundreds place. Anyway, it is a hundreds place. But no, that is wrong. In representational form, it should be written as 1 in units place, 1 0 in tens place and 1 0 0 in hundreds place. There are 6 units. In tens place, 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 tens. I will not write it as 40, I will write it as 4. This is how it is written. 100, 200. I will write it as 2. In the classroom, when it is written as a table, if we write it in a table, this is units, this is tens, this is hundreds. In the units, we have 6. In tens, we have 4. And hundreds, 2. We write it as 246. Number quantity association is done, right? This is number quantity association. Now, let us understand quantity and number association. That means quantity. Give a quantity and ask them what is the number. Let us see how to do. I will give this play money to children. I'll give them this much money. You need to arrange this. How much money do you have? You have to arrange it here and show it to me. What will the children do? 10. We have 10 rupees here. They might keep it in the units place by mistake. But that is wrong. See, this is 10. Is this units? No, it is tens. So, keep it in the tens place. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 tens. Keep all the tens here. Then, what is this? This is 1000. Can we keep it here? No, we have to keep it in the thousands place. How many thousands are there? 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000. Do we have anything in the hundreds place? No. In tens place, 110, 210, 310, 410, 5 tens we have. Let us keep them like this. Here we have 4 thousands are here. There are no hundreds. 5 tens are here. There are no units. It means 4050 are here, right? How do we write it in figures? 4050, how do we write it now? Children may be confused initially, so keeping this, you may write. Let us keep it here. Don't forget writing the place value for houses, units, tens, hundreds, and thousands. For 4th standard children, before beginning the lesson, you may re-narrate this story. Tell them to recall. This is Unit Uncle's house. It has 9 rooms. Each room, 1 person. 10 Uncle's house, 9 rooms. Each room, 10 people can stay. 100's house has 9 rooms. In every room, 100 can stay. 1000's house has 9 rooms, but very big room. In each room, 1000 people can stay. Recall the idea. Similarly, now let us write this. How many are in the 1000's house? 4000. What's there in the 100's house? There is nothing. There is nothing, so we don't write anything. How many in 10's house? 110. 10's house is 10's place. 5 tens. Units place? There is nothing. We don't write anything. Let us total it up now. Units place is empty, so it is 0. 5 tens, so it is 50. 100's place is empty, so it is 0. In 1000's place has 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000. So here it is 4. Now, this number, how do we write it in the place value mat? In units place, there is nothing. So 0 there. In 10's place, it is 5. In 100's place, there is nothing. So we wrote 0. And in 1000's place, it is 4. So we wrote 4. That is, how to read it? It is 4050. Here, please note something. Once the children know 10, are introduced to numbers, reading 110 as 10, reading 2 tens as 20, that is, skip numbers 10, 20, 30, 40, they should know it. When we say 5 tens, they should be able to say 50. Same way, 6 tens, 60. In hundreds, that problem isn't found. We say 600, 700, like that 900s are 900 as we know. They should learn oral numbers and it should be linked to these ideas, associate these ideas. In the TLMs that we saw so far, base 10 block, please note, yellow cubes are there and blue rods, green plate for 100, for 1000, 1 cube. We have only 1 cube in the kit. There are 20 hundreds, 20 green plates are there. Therefore, using these TLMs, 1999, we can use this kit for counting up to this number. Similarly, we have play money. But on the place value mat, we have only 1000, 100, 10, 1. 4-digit numbers, that is 9999. We can count only 9999. We can use place value mat and play money. Only so much. Now, for 5th standard, 5-digit counting will be taught. How can we teach? Which TLMs can be used? Let us see. To count 5-digit numbers, we use abacus stand. abacus and abacus rings are here. Here, yellow shows units, blue color 10 for tens place, to show 100, green, red for 1000, and for 10,000 white color is shown. Using this, we put them like this and count. How do we do it? Let us see. Now, a number, a 5-digit number, 13,574. Let us write that number. We have to show this. In 13,000, how many 10,000s are there? 1. How many thousands are there? In 13, 3,000s are there. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 574. 13,574. How many hundreds are there? 100, 200, 300, 400 and 500. Right? 13,574. We have put 7 tens. How many units are there? 4 units, right? 4 units. Now, there is 1 10,000, 3 thousands are there. So, it is 13,000, 13,574. We did it at the concrete stage. We have seen it in the concrete stage. Same thing in the square line book. In representational stage, how to show it? Let us see. How many 10,000s are there? We can write from here or from here. How many 10,000s are there? 1 10,000. How many thousands are there? There are 3 thousands. 1,000, 2,000, 3 thousands are there. How many hundreds are there? 5 hundreds. How many tens? 7 tens are there. How many units are there? 4 units. Right? Now, 1 10,000, 3 thousands, 5 hundreds, 7 tens, and 4 units. Therefore, this number 13,574. This is how we write it in the abstract stage. Now, if I keep another number here, can you read the number for me? Without counting, I am placing few rings into the stand. I don't know how many are there. Let us see. This is 10,000's place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are here. Right? It means it is 50,000. How many thousands are there? There is nothing. Here we have 50,000. How many hundreds are there? No hundreds. 110, 210. How many units are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How do we read it now? 50,000 and 28. Right? Correct? Now, how can we represent it? Shall we see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? 1 10,000, 2 10,000, 4 10,000 and 5 10,000 are here. How many in thousands place? There is nothing, right? Let us not write anything. Hundreds place also has nothing. Nothing to write. Tens place has 2 tens, right? 1 10 and 2 tens. Units place? 8 units, right? So, 8 units. Now, in 10,000's place, 1 10,000, 2 10,000, 3 10,000, 4 10,000 and 5 10,000. Thousands place is empty. Hundreds place is also empty, that is 0. And tens place has 2 and units place has 8. So this number is 50,028. This is how we read it. This is how we write it in the abstract. Also, in the table, they can practice by writing. Let us look at the dice. It is a special dice. Even here, we have yellow, blue, green, red, and white colors. If you observe, it is not like a normal dice. Normal dice will have numbers from 1 to 6, right? But here, if you observe, we have nothing. It means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 0 to 5 spots are on the dice. On the other, there is 4 and nothing. 0 and 4 only. This is because whichever way you roll it, when you add the two numbers, the sum will not exceed 9. It means in each place, we write numbers from 0 to 9 only, right? Even on the place value table and in the representational form, we have 9 houses, right? In the same way, since we write from 0 to 9 in one place, this also can have only from 0 to 9. This is such a system. This dice. This is like other TLMs. Even in this, yellow is used for units, blue is used for tens, green is used for hundreds, and red is used for thousands. For 10,000s, white is used. This is how it is made. Now, for example, for 3rd standard children or 4th standard children, let us make it like a game. Now, one number they must see, read, and write. They roll dice. In the group, one separates all yellows, another separates all blues, and all greens. Now, how many units are here? 4 units. 0 and 4. Here, 5 tens are there. Here, in the green dice, one has 4 and one has 2. Totally, it is 6. 6 hundreds are here. How many thousands are here? 4 and 4. 8 thousands are here. How can they write down in their notebook? Now, how many units? Units place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. How many units? 4. Tens place has 5. Hundreds place has 6. In thousands place there are 8. Children will read it as 8,654. Using this, other problems, addition and subtraction, which they learn later, one number may be taken like this and the other number may be taken in another way. Importantly, it is a number generator, number generating system. This can be used till 10,000s. If they include the white ones, for 2nd standard students, use only 2 colors. For 3rd standards, use 3 colors since they learn 3-digit numbers. For 4th standard, leave the white, red is enough. Like this, through games, they can learn through games.